Forrester, enterprises are mature enough to adopt functions as a service, containers, microservices, event-driven architectures, and API management platforms to support their business. AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, and VMware SDI are some of the cloud providers to watch out for. Some of the key challenges that businesses face during cloud adoption are growing business demands, data and multi-cloud security, innovation and digitization of business processes, zero-day cyber attacks, shortcomings in monitoring, analytics and automation, and inefficient user experience. Happiest Minds offers hybrid cloud services, an end-to-end solution for all your modernization needs. With cloud-native computing forcing enterprises to think about agile delivery methods, we handle your transformation journey by adopting containerization and serverless architecture using public, private, and hybrid clouds. Our approach follows a four-step process: assessment, prototype, transformation, and operations. Phase 1. Infrastructure Assessment and Advisory. In this phase, we assess the infrastructure, application, and security of your company to define the overall IT roadmap. We use our advisory and assessment tools, Ellipse platform, and our integrated Cloud Advisory and Assessment Framework, ICAF, to understand your current architecture, perform the gap analysis, and provide the to-be recommendations. Cloud Infrastructure Assessment Framework. CIAF depends on four major dimensions: people, process, tools, and technology to create a visual representation of the organization's current infrastructure. Based on assessments, a maturity score is derived indicating the current maturity level. Meanwhile, our Cloud Readiness or Cloudability Quotient framework will derive a weightage and responsive score based on non-functional requirements that will decide the further roadmap. We will then derive a cloud maturity model based on Cloud Assessment Framework, which will depict a to-be roadmap that would have cloud application transformation, operational transformation, and operational excellence. Application will be accessed or compared with cloud service models as per the dimensions defined, and selection will be made based on three parameters: Amazon versus Google versus Azure, public versus private versus hybrid, open source versus proprietary. As a result of which, you will get Cloud Feasibility Analysis Report mentioning the business case and ROI. Cloud security is imperative while migrating to cloud, and Integrated Cloud Security Assessment Framework deals with cloud security readiness audit, storage security, DRBC planning, cloud application security, cloud network security, IDAM security, database security, and cloud architecture security. Moving on to Phase 2 of the hybrid cloud journey, prototype. As part of this process, we conduct workshops and study the existing infrastructure and facilities to create high and low-level designs. With the data from Phase 1, we will create a detailed transformation plan which will help the organization to align its IT for modern business demands. We also prepare test plans and design a staging area if required, and a data mapping sheet, based on which a data migration design will be derived. Moving on to Phase 3 of the hybrid cloud journey, transformation. Data migration and transformation use the Ellipse platform, Cloud Transformation Framework, and the Cloud Governance Framework to deliver application modernization and profiling. In this phase, Happiest Minds performs application modernization or profiling based on the level of customization and complexity requirements. Lift and shift, rehost, replatform, rewrite, replace, and retire are some of the decision factors for application modernization and profiling. Based on the results of the modernization techniques, data migration includes planning, analysis, design, build and test and validate, rollout. For a successful cloud transformation, the effective cloud governance framework ensures stakeholder management, change readiness, effective communication, ensuring team effectiveness, organization and work design, training and support. Moving to Phase 4, Operations and Managed Services powered by Ellipse platform. Happiest Minds will help the organization in enabling agile IT infrastructure and operations. Ellipse platform enables this agile journey through standardization, analytics-driven operational intelligence, agility through automation, IT consumerization. Happiest Minds partner-driven hybrid cloud journey benefits you with cloud-led digital program through consult, implement, transform, and operate. Accelerate innovation with a robust digital core through containerization and serverless. Orchestrate and automate cloud through an informed decision and managed services. Some of our success stories are AWS Cloud migration for multinational publishing and education company, Azure Cloud migration for a Europe-based wholesale retail company, DC consolidation, optimization, and migration for UK-based ICT provider, software-defined data center build for a leading e-commerce company, infrastructure assessment cloud migration and managed services for a leading global retailer. Contact Happiest Minds today to start your journey towards achieving digital maturity.